if you're at your lowest and falling apart, and if you've hit rock bottom and question your strength, or if you're even wondering if you ever feel whole again, then this video is for you. Just a few months ago, my life looked beautiful from the outside, but behind the scenes, I was actually going through hell. I was fighting to survive. I lost everything. I even lost myself completely. And this is the truth that I couldn't share until now. And honestly, I almost did not make this video, but today I want to show you what healing and rebirth really look like, how I am rising and how I'm rebuilding one breath, one step and one dream at a time. So if you're watching this and you're in pain, please, I want you to know that you are not alone, and this video is for you. Sorry, I'm recording this outside. I did not, because today is such a nice day, but I did not think this through fully, apparently, because I didn't think of the outside noise and also of the fact that my glasses would darken because of the sun. So yeah, let's try to get through this anyway. It's not gonna be a long video. I'm just recording this on the go, like vlog style, holding the phone in my hand. So let's do this. I disappeared from YouTube, from the channel, because my life was unraveling in ways that I never expected. I was in an abusive marriage, and what began as love turned into fear, control, isolation, and pain. And for months, I was just surviving behind closed doors. And eventually, I had to make a choice to stay and lose myself completely, or to leave and fight for my life and for my son. So I left with nothing but my baby in my arms and faith in my heart. And the past few months has been the hardest of my life. I didn't disappear because I stopped caring about this community and the channel. I actually disappeared because I was fighting to stay alive, and there was also so much shame wrapped around all the abuse, and part of my healing is saying this out loud. It wasn't my fault, and if you've been through it, it wasn't your fault either. And you know that you deserve peace, you deserve safety, you deserve to be free. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that I'm healed, because I'm not. I think healing is a journey, and I know mine will take time, maybe months, maybe years, I don't know, but I'm walking that path now, little by little. I'm learning to breathe again. I'm journaling, I'm saying affirmations, I'm going to therapy. I'm leaning on my closest friends and family. I'm letting myself cry when I need to. And I'm also grieving the life that I thought that I would have. And I'm trying to stay open to the life that is still possible. I'm rediscovering myself, my passions, my voice, and the things that make me me. I actually have gone back to dancing, to music, to the arts, to movement, not as a performance, but as a way to heal. And I'm really trying to be gentle with myself, even when I don't feel strong, even when I still feel broken, because healing is not linear, and I think that's okay. It's gonna take time, and I just need to put in the work. I'm in a rebuilding season right now. I'm still looking for a home for me and my son, and I'm still navigating how to co-parent after everything that I've been through. And I'm gonna be honest, that part is new and incredibly hard, but like I said earlier, I'm doing the work one step at a time. And I'm also challenging myself to rise again, not just emotionally, but also artistically. I want to return to the top of my game as a professional dancer. I want to perform again. I want to teach again. I want to use my art as a source of strength for myself and also for others. And I want to build my business, the dream that I had to put on pause to survive. I want to rebuild this channel, my brand, my voice. I want to create a safe space where we can talk about real healing, not just pretty quotes, but also the messy, the gritty, the powerful work of turning pain into purpose. If you're in a dark place right now, and if you feel stuck and ashamed and broken or even invisible, know that I see you, and I want you to know that you are not alone. You are not your past. You are not what someone else did to you. No. You are not too broken to begin again. I want you to know that you are worthy. You are still here, and that means that there is still hope. I'm not here as someone who has it all figured out, because I don't. I'm here as someone who is choosing to rise and who wants to rise with you. I think this is just the beginning. From now on, you will see more of me, not just the highlight, but the real journey. I will be sharing my healing tools, my dance journey, my rebuilding process, and also the mindset shifts that are helping me survive and thrive, and how I'm turning this pain into power. So if you're walking through your own rebirth, I want this channel to be a place where you feel seen, supported, and inspired. And if this spoke to you, comment below. Tell me where you're at, and let's rise together. I love you, I believe in you, and we are just getting started. Bye.